Hello dear students, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my video. Today we'll solve multiple choice questions from Polynomials class 10 CBSE. So let us begin. First question is, if 1, 0 of quadratic polynomial kx square plus 3x plus k is 2, then find the value of k. You know that when 2 is 0, that means if I'll put if 1, 0 is 2, that means if I put x is equal to 2 in the polynomial, this polynomial becomes 0. So k into 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus k is equal to 0. We'll solve this k and we'll find what are the answer from the option. Options are 5 by 6, minus 5 by 6, 6 by 5, minus 6 by 5. So this gives me 4k plus 6 plus 5k is equal to 0, or 5k plus 6 is 0, or k is equal to minus 6 by 5. So where is the answer? Minus 6 by 5. D is answer. D is answer here. Next question. Question number 2. The graph of the polynomial is shown in the figure. Then the number of zeros. How many zeros will it have? So we know that the number of times graph cuts or intersect x-axis is number of zeros. Let us find x-axis is your, this is x dash. So 1 it is cutting here, 2, 1, 2, 3. It has 3 zeros. So options are A 3, B 1, C 2. So A is answer. 0 is 3. Next, the maximum number of zeros in a cubic polynomial can have. So if it is a linear polynomial, then for example x plus 3 is equal to 0, then x plus 3 it has 1 0. If it is a quadratic, x square plus some x plus constant, then it has 2 0. If it is a cubic, that means the maximum power of x is 3, then it has 3 zeros. Simply or 4 zeros. So it has 3 0. D is answer. Next, if 1 0 of quadratic polynomial x square plus 3x plus k is 2, then the value of k is what? In the similar question, in place of x, I'll put 2 and I'll make px is equal to 0. So it will be 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus k is equal to 0. Or this gives me 4 plus 6 plus k is equal to 0. So this gives me k is equal to minus 10. So see the options 10, minus 10, minus 7, minus 2. So B is answer. B is answer of this question. 5. The quadratic polynomial, the sum of zeros is minus 5 and product is 6, is, out of this you have to select x square plus 5x plus 6, x square minus 5x plus 6, x square minus 5x minus 6, minus x square plus 5x plus 6. So we have to recall the fact. Now if sum of zeros is given and product of 0 is given, then the quadratic polynomial is x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product. So it will be x square minus, here the sum of 0 is minus 5, so I'll write minus 5 into x plus product is equal to 6. So this equation, a polynomial will be x square plus 5x plus 6. So you have to find out which one is the correct. So A is correct here. Next, 6. If 1, 0 of the polynomial 3x square plus 8x plus k is the reciprocal of other, then the value of k is 3 minus 3, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. That means we denote the polynomial as alpha and beta. So here it is given that 1 is reciprocal of other. That means beta is equal to 1 by alpha. Beta is equal to 1 by alpha. Then we'll recall the fact what is the product of zeros. Product of zeros is equal to formula is your b c by a, when the quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. So here product is 1 is alpha into beta. Instead of beta, I'll write 1 by alpha because 1 is reciprocal of other. This is equal to c by a. What is c here? C is k. What is a here? A is 3. So c by 3 means k by 3. So what I'm getting, alpha cancel, or I'm getting k by 3 is equal to 1. So what is the value of k? K is equal to 3. K is equal to 3. Where is the answer? Answer is A. A is the answer. A. K is equal to 3. The zeros of the polynomial x square minus 3x minus m into m plus 3 are. What will be? The options are m plus 3, minus m plus 3, m minus m plus 3, minus m plus 3. So here, if we'll take the sum is equal to minus 3, sum is equal to minus 3. Alpha plus beta, this sum is equal to minus 3, and product is equal to again minus m into m plus 3. So we can check here, one is minus m and m plus 3. So this gives, products gives me this one. And what are those sum? Sum is equal to minus n plus m plus 3. Let us see whether it is I'm getting minus 3 or not. I'm not getting minus 3. So 1 is incorrect. Next, coming to B. 1 is minus m and 1 is m plus 3. So product is equal to minus m plus 3. This is product. This is correct. Now let us, for the sum, minus m plus m plus 3. Is this correct? Is this sum is 3? Yes, sum is 3. So the formula is your minus m plus 3 is the answer. So B is equal to answer. I am getting sum is equal to 3, not minus 3, sum is equal to 3 because the formula is x square minus, pardon me, I'm doing this question again. Here alpha plus beta is equal to 3. Then only I'm getting minus 3. And alpha into beta, the sum is minus m into m plus 3. So m and m plus 3 must be opposite sign. So either this will be answer or this will be answer because I'm getting negative here. So let us check for B. What I'll check? I'll check if I'll take one is minus m and one is m plus 3, whether their sum is equal to 3 or not. Is it 3? Yes, it is 3. So B is answer. One root is minus m and one root is m plus 3. We can check with C also. I'm checking here for C. M, sum is minus m minus 3. The sum is minus 3, but sum should be plus 3 because we write the equation x square minus sum x plus product. So sum should be plus 3, not minus 3. So C is not the answer, B is answer. Question number 8. The value of x for which the polynomial x square minus 1 and x square minus 2x plus 1 vanish simultaneously each. Vanish means it will become 0. X square minus 1 will 0, as well as x square minus 2x plus 1 is also 0. For what value of x? For what value of x they become 0. No problem, just factorize. So x square minus 1 is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 1. This is 0, this will become 0, means either at x is equal to 1 or at x is equal to minus 1. So these are the two possibilities. Next, coming to x square minus 2x plus 1, if we'll simplify or factorize, it will be x minus 1 whole square, x minus 1 into x minus 1. So from here I am getting again x is equal to 1, not minus 1. X is equal to 1. So for both the cases I am getting x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 is the answer. D is answer. If alpha and beta are zeros of the quadratic polynomial fx is equal to x square minus x minus 4, then the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha beta is what? So let us go for the concept. If ax square plus bx plus c is the polynomial, it is denoted by fx here, function. Polynomial, we can write px, we can write fx. This is a polynomial, and alpha and beta are zeros. We know that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha into beta is equal to c by a. So for this particular question, no need of getting alphabets separately. You apply these properties, these characteristics. So now coming to this expression, I am simplifying this. This is 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha beta. So what I'll do, I'll take the LCM. Alpha beta is the LCM. So here I'll multiply beta. For second, I'll multiply alpha. And here this is denominator 1. So whole alpha beta will be multiplied. So this will be alpha square beta square. Next I'll go for putting the values. First plus alpha plus beta. It is same as your beta plus alpha. Here I'll put minus b by a. And minus, this is alpha beta whole square. And here alpha beta. Okay. Instead of minus b by a, I can directly put alpha plus beta. Now coming from this particular question, I'll get alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, so it will be 1. Because b is 1 into x square minus 1 into x minus 4. So a is 1 here, b is minus 1 here, and c is minus 4 here. So it will be minus b by a is the formula. So I am writing 1. Alpha into beta is c by a, so it will be minus 4. So I'll put these two values here, where I'm not writing this value, from here I'll get. So it will be alpha plus beta is 1 minus alpha beta whole square is minus 4 whole square upon alpha beta. Alpha beta is minus 4. The answer will be 1 minus 16 by minus 4. That will be minus 15 upon minus 4. It will be 15 upon 4. So 15 upon 4, A is the answer. A is answer. Question number 10. The value of the polynomial x to the power 8 minus x to the power 5 minus x square minus x plus 1 is positive for all the real numbers, negative for all the real numbers, 0 depends on the value of x. So all the real number means what? X can be positive, x can be also negative. So if I'll take positive values, this will be positive, this is negative, again positive, negative. So we don't know what will be the value. If I'll put 2, it will be a different value. If we'll get a minus 2, it will be a different value. It cannot be 0 even, because 1 is there. It cannot be 0. So it depends on the value of x. You are taking different values, you will get different values of the polynomial. So D is the answer for this question. So you have done 10 questions. Great thing. Now question number 11. The lowest value of x square plus 4x plus 2 is 0, -2, 2, 4. Lowest value will means minimum value. Minimum value. So how to do this type of question? What we'll do, we'll make it a whole square. I'll take x square plus 4x, and I know that if I write a 4 here, it will be a whole square. So this 2 I'll convert as 4 minus 2. So plus 4 minus 2. What I'm doing, I'm making a whole square. Why I'm making a whole square? Because anything square is minimum value is 0. It cannot be, square cannot be negative. Whole square cannot be negative. So it starts from 0 and it increases. So minimum value is always 0. So I'll compare with a whole square. So it will be x plus 2 whole square minus 2. So anything whole square, minus 2 not 0. Whole square minimum value is 0. So when this is minimum 0, so this will be minimum is minus 2. So minimum value of this polynomial is 2. 12. The sum of zeros of the polynomial, 2x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 5 is 6. Find the value of k. So this is a cubic polynomial. So here there are 3 zeros, alpha, beta, gamma. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 6. And what is the formula for alpha plus beta plus gamma? Is equal to minus b by a. When quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus x cube bx square, I'm writing the square, it will be cubic, plus cx plus d. If this is the polynomial, then alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a, alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma, this is equal to c by a, and alpha beta gamma is equal to again minus d by a. So we'll note it. You can solve many questions of this type. So minus b by a for 2x cube minus 3kx square plus 4x minus 5. So here a is 2, b is minus 3k, c is 4, d is 5, minus 5. So I'll write alpha plus beta plus gamma, it is given to 6. So minus b by a is equal to 6, or minus 3k by 2 is equal to 6. Then k is equal to 6 into minus 2 by 3. So minus 12 by 3 is equal to minus 4. So the value of k is minus 4. D is answer. The square of difference. Let us continue. Question number 13. If the square of difference of the zeros of quadratic polynomial x square plus px plus 45 is equal to 144, then the value of p is plus minus 9, plus minus 12, plus minus 15, plus minus 18. So one 0 is alpha, 1 is beta. Then you know that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha into beta is equal to c by a. But the question is square of the difference of the 0 is given. That means this is your difference is 1 minus alpha minus beta. Its square is its square is given. How much? It will be 144. So in this particular question, polynomial A is 1, B is your P, and C is 45. So let me write the formula: alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Unless you know this formula, you cannot solve this question. So I'll write alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So it will be minus p only. A is 1, p square minus 4 into alpha beta. Alpha into beta is c by a. C is 45. A is 1. So I'll write 45. This is alpha minus beta whole square is equal to minus p square. It is given to 144. Or I'm getting p square minus 180 is equal to 144. This gives me p square is equal to 144 plus 180. That will be how much? 324. So p is equal to square root of 324 is equal to plus minus 18. Not only plus or not only minus. So D is answer. Next. Question number 14. If one of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial is k minus 1 x square plus kx plus 1 is minus 3, the value of k is what? One of the zero is k. So put k in place of your x. It will become 1 is minus 3. 1 0 is minus 3. So I'll put x is equal to minus 3 and I'll make polynomial as 0. So it will be k minus 1 into minus 3 square plus k into minus 3 plus 1 is 0. Now you have to simplify this to get the values, whether it will be A is correct, B is correct, C is correct, D is correct. So it will be 9 into k minus 1 minus 3k minus 1 is 0. So I am getting 9k minus 9 minus 3k minus 1 is 0. So this gives me 6k minus 10 is 0, or 6k is equal to 10. This gives k is equal to 10 by 6. 10 by 6 is equal to 5 by 3. 5 by 3 is not there. It is 4 by 3. Is it a mistake? Yes, it is a mistake. It is plus 1. Plus 1, so it will be minus 8. This will be 8. This is 8 by 6 is equal to how much? It will be 4 by 3. So let me rub it again from here so that I will make it correct. So it will be 9k minus 9 minus 3k plus 1 is 0. This gives me 6k minus 8 is 0. 6k is equal to 8. K is equal to 8 by 6. That will be 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 A is answer. Question number 15. A quadratic polynomial whose zeros are minus 3 and 4 will be what? So zeros are minus 3 and 4. We know that we first find the sum of the zeros. Minus 3 plus 4 is equal to 1. Then we get product of zeros is equal to minus 3 into 4. That will be minus 12. Then we'll get in the equation x square minus sum x plus product. So put in the value x square minus sum is minus 1 into x, product is minus 12. So this will be x square minus x minus 12. X square minus x minus 12. It is not minus minus 12. It is not minus x minus 12. So it can be this. No, this is the answer. Because if we simply write this, this will be 2 into x square minus x minus 12. So C is the answer for this question. 16. The zeros of the quadratic polynomial are 2 and minus 3. Then A is what? B is what? In the same way, A is minus 7, B is minus 1, a5, b minus 1, a2, b minus 6, a0. So let us find what is the sum. Sum is 2 plus minus 3. It should be minus b by a. It should be a plus 1. So a plus 1 is minus 1. So a is equal to 0. Now coming to b, product of the root 2 into minus 3 is equal to c, which is b here. So b is equal to minus 6. So what is the answer? A is 0, b is minus 6. So D is answer. The zeros of the quadratic polynomial are. Question number 17. The zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 99x plus 127 are both positive, both negative, one positive, one negative, both equal. So we know the properties of the roots. If two roots are alpha and beta, their sum is equal to minus b by a and c by a. So here the sum of the roots is your minus 99, because we write x square minus sum into x plus product. Sum is minus 99 and product is equal to 127 plus positive. Product is positive, sum is negative. So when it is possible? When both are negative, because negative to negative we get positive and negative plus negative we get negative. So both are negative. B is the answer. Question number 18. The zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus kx plus k cannot be both be positive, cannot both be negative, are always unequal, are always equal. Same concept. Sum is equal to here minus k and product is plus k. Sum of the roots is minus k, sum of the product is k. So they cannot be both positive. First one is the simple one, is the answer. A is answer. Cannot be both positive. When sum is negative, product is positive, either of them is negative. A19. If the zero of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, where c is not equal to 0 are equal, then c, a have opposite signs, c, b have opposite signs, c and a have same signs, c and b have same signs. That means they are equals. That means it is a whole square. When it is a whole square, either you will get sum of the roots here it is positive b, sum is b, and product is equal to c by a. C and a have both always same sign, because b may be different. For example, I'll write x minus 2 whole square, then x square plus 4 minus 4x, or x plus 2 whole square, x square plus 4 plus 4x. That means here both are negative, x equal to 2, x equal to 2. Here both are negative, x equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 2. So when they are of same sign or they are equal, both are equal, then we are getting the coefficient of x square and coefficient, this constant term is always positive. So it is C and A have same sign. Next 20. If one of the zero of the quadratic polynomial of the form ax square plus ax plus b is a negative of other, then has no linear term and a constant term is negative, has no linear term and the constant term is positive, Cannot have linear terms, but constant term is negative. Cannot have linear term, but the constant term is positive. When one of the zero quadratic polynomial is negative or the other, that means if one is alpha, other is minus alpha, then its sum is 0. Alpha plus minus alpha is 0, so there will be no linear term. X coefficient will be 0. So it will be x square, ax square, it will be either plus c or ax square minus c. Now we'll see whether it will be this constant term will be positive or negative. So if constant term is positive, then we are getting minus c. We won't get any value of x square because x square cannot be negative. So it will be this form. What will be the linear? There will be no linear term, but the constant term is negative. So what is the answer? C is answer. Thank you for the subscribing my channel. We'll again meet with a video.